Hello and welcome. My name is
Fabian Bickenbach.
I am a product manager at Technology. And today I would like to introduce you to our new, super easy and intuitive welding system, ENESKAimpulse 230. The operation of the ENESKAimpulse 230 is very intuitive and simple. We can directly select the preset programs by pressing the menu button here once and opening the menu. Then with our push and turn control, navigate through the functions, confirm by pressing, and then this folder view opens here, in which the best settings, here in our Joka folder can be found. I open it by pressing once to confirm. Here I can already find directly the right setting. That means if we want to repair an edge, I can of course read the word directly here. We see a number. The number is in this case the diameter of our filler metal, and we have the word elect for electrode, and 1 millimeter would now be our 1 millimeter tungsten electrode, which is clamped in our hand torch. If I now want to open the program, I press confirm again, and he will ask me the last time to load. Once on OK, and now the program is selected, ready for use, and I can always see here which program I am currently in. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you can get your first impression and see how simple and intuitive the operation of the ENESKAimpulse 230 is. If you still have questions about repair welding, we offer specialized courses on the subject of welding in mold and tool making at Technology.